Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your sales metrics with Klipfolio step by step clearly. First, visit the Klipfolio website and create an account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to get started with your sales metrics. Click on the Create New Dashboard button to initiate a new project. Name your dashboard something relevant to your sales metrics for easy identification. Next, select the Add a Clip option to bring in data visualizations for your metrics. Choose from various data sources, such as Google Analytics or your CRM system. If your data source isn't listed, you can upload a CSV file or connect through an API. After selecting your data source, follow the prompts to authenticate and link it. Now, focus on the key sales metrics you want to track, like sales growth or customer acquisition cost. Customize the clip visualizations based on your preferences, selecting charts or graphs that best represent your data. Once you are satisfied with the visualization, click Save to add the clip to your dashboard. You can then rearrange your clips within the dashboard to reflect your desired layout. To maintain accuracy, set up automatic data refresh intervals in the settings. Review your dashboard regularly to analyze performance trends and gain insights. Consider sharing your dashboard with team members by enabling sharing options for collaboration. Use the insights gained to inform strategic decisions and optimize your sales efforts. Regularly update your metrics and clips as your sales strategy evolves to ensure relevance. Explore additional resources within Klipfolio's Help Center for advanced optimization techniques. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.